Renee, and welcome back to my channel. So I know it's been a long time, y'all. Don't hate me, okay? Don't hate me, but I'm back, okay? So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I did my knotless braids. Now, I've had these braids in for about 3 weeks. I know this video is real late. It's real late. It's real trifling. I'm sorry. But I still wanted to show you guys before I took my hair out because it's about to be week 4 and I can't have a hairstyle for long, and I'm just over it. So I knew I couldn't, take them out without doing a tutorial on how I did these knotless braids. So if you want to see how I got these braids, child, then keep on watching. Okay, y'all, so I used 2 edge controls. I used that Ebin edge control, which is bomb, 10 out of 10, would highly recommend. And I also used Murray's Edge Wax. So I used the Ebin edge control at the root of my hair, at the top, and then like gradually as I was braiding down, I used Murray's Edge Wax. I hope y'all understand when I try to explain how I do this. So just bear with me, okay? So we're gonna split this part into 3 sections, obviously like you're doing a regular braid. And you're gonna like do 2 rotations. So you're gonna cross it under 1, and then cross it under again 2. And then that's when I'm gonna add my first piece of hair. So that hair is gonna go, I'm gonna take my pinky, it kind of helps me, and I'm gonna put it toward the back section and the middle section, then do another rotation. Then I'm gonna take another piece of hair and add it again to the side section and the middle section, and then you rotate. And then I do it one more time, so I add 3 strands of hair per braid. And that's how I did all the braids. It was easier for me to do this in the front of my hair, and it was really fast. But I'm going to show you guys how I gripped the hair and everything when I was doing the back. The back definitely took me the longest. And I feel like it's only different because of how I have to move my hands and stuff because it's underhand. So yeah, y'all going to see that in a minute. After a while, I had to put it in my mouth to anchor it because my braids are super long. So when your braids are super long, that's a way to help you braid it all the way down. Again, my braids are 4 weeks old, y'all, so take that into consideration. But I'm basically braiding my hair the same way, except I'm doing it underhand because I'm obviously doing the back and I can't see. And I'm adding each piece in between my thumb and my index finger. So that's how I'm braiding each piece into my hair. And again, I only add 3 pieces of hair into each braid. In the back, I used a bobby pin, and I would pin it in my hair from when I stopped braiding to hold the braid in place. And then I would swing the hair around and untangle it because it was usually tangled at the bottom. So after I untangle it, that's when I would take the bobby pin out and continue braiding down. y'all, so I just wanted to come on here and show you guys how long the braids are. They come to my knees. Let me stand on my tippy toes. So this is how long the braids are. They come all the way to my knees. And yeah, so that's how long they are. So I just wanted to show you guys the packs of hair that I used. Oh, this is so huge. Okay, this is the Outre Expression hair triple pack. So it was 3 packs in one, so I got 2 packs, so I had 6 packs of hair, but I only used 4 packs and I didn't even use all the 4th pack. So that's how many packs I used. It says 84 inches. I feel like they're gassing it. It's not 84 inches, but it is super long. So that's how I got my braids to be super long. It took me, y'all, it took me 3 days. 3 days to do these braids. I did it on, I started them on Tuesday and I finished them on Thursday, and then I went on a trip on Friday. That's when I left on my little beach trip. So yeah, you guys, that was the whole process of how I did these braids. And if you like this video, don't forget to give this a thumbs up. We are almost to 200 subscribers, y'all. So tell your cousin, your auntie, your friends, subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys have a great day. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.